stars take their first baby steps into this big bad world of entertainment, they all suffer from the foot in the mouth disease. So why target Sonam Kapoor now? Poor girl. She comes under the scanner for whatever she says. Come on, look at other stars of B-Town who had and some still have a big mouth. Let's check out 5 such regretful quotes uttered by few Bollywood stars before they learn the tricks of the trade. Looking at the sizzling chemistry between Kareena Kapoor and Salman Khan, no one would ever imagine that Bebo once hated this Khan. Shocked? We were too when we read what Kareena once said about Sallu. I don't like him, he is a very bad actor. And hear what the chameleon has to say now.
Well, I think I'm just a lucky girl to have somebody as hot, as loyal, as loving as Salman.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, a name which represents Indian cinema globally. But Ash, your quote, "I am making no efforts to work in Hollywood," made us wonder how you landed in the West without making any efforts. Maybe turning down all Bollywood roles to spare dates for Hollywood duds and hiring an international agent to pump up your career can't be counted as putting in any efforts, right Ash? Bollywood is full of beautiful faces, but only few of them can act. But that's not the worst part. The worst part is not all of the few who can act have brains to understand that they talk nonsense sometimes. It's heartbreaking to say, but Kajol is one of them. How else will you explain what she meant when she said, "I am a little sick of Bollywood and want to exit gracefully"? We agree you exited gracefully, but many times only to make a comeback again, cats. Acting is not something you get from your genes, and Esha Deol proves this theory. This female Uday Chopra of Bollywood, when was just a newbie in the industry, made tall claims and said, "I will agree to do only 2 heroines or a solo heroine film." Well, Esha, unlike Uday, at least you know why your acting career never took off. The last one on this list is a self-proclaimed star, Kamal Rashid Khan. It may sound harsh, but there is no cure to this man. He never fails to entertain us with his weird statements, and we have to mention the one that concerns our Jalebi by Malika Sherawat. KRK long back said, "Why will Malika work in my films? I make patriotic films, not porn films." But he recently challenged the same Malika Sherawat on Twitter that he will pay her 2 crore rupees to act in his films. Kamal, so now that your so-called patriotic films flopped so badly, seems that you have decided to make porn films. We must say, if these Bollywood stars' acting careers die down in future, they can turn to politics any day. This is Sonal Vaikar for Rajshri.com.